For the last century, the semiconductor industry has been evolving tremendously, following Moore's Law and innovations created in the past. From a single transistor to personal computers, cell phones, and daily use of smart electronics. Further horizons of advanced electronics manufacturing are currently restricted by traditional fabrication methods. ATLANT 3D is here to change that with an innovative, groundbreaking approach. ATLANT 3D technology is based on its proprietary and patent-pending digital and cost-effective innovation. MUDEL, or Microreactor Direct Atomic Layer Processing Technology. DELP technology uses a proprietary microchemical reactor to process atomic layers of materials selectively with atomic precision in predetermined areas. This process allows direct patterning with different material and various substrates, including metals, semiconductors, dielectrics, glass, ceramics, and polymers. It provides great flexibility in the innovation cycle, from design to manufacturing, from materials to ready-to-use applications, and previously impossible scalability with atomic precision. Imagine precise manufacturing of advanced devices in one system platform. The ATLANT 3D technology equipment platform is applicable across various industries and domains, including, but not limited to semiconductor, photonics, optics, sensors applications, and more. We are creating an enabler of emerging applications such as neuromorphic and quantum devices, 2D nanoelectronics, and even atomic scale manufacturing in space. ATLANT 3D provides first-ever agile innovation framework for development of next-level applications for continuously evolving industries. From today and for sure tomorrow, atomic-scale advanced manufacturing becomes a reality for advanced material and device processing to enable new applications across industries. We are pioneering cutting-edge innovation beyond the limits of existing industries and imagination. ATLANT 3D developed technology that can work on Earth and beyond and enable advanced manufacturing.